Hello and welcome. I'm Jeff Osgar, Solutions Specialist, Coordinated Business Systems. Today we're going to be looking at document management, more specifically GlobalSearch, and some of the simple yet very impactful features thereof. Enjoy. Okay, so here we are. We've authenticated into the system with the username and password, and we're brought to our home page. As you can see, we've got a couple of archives or folders off to the left. These can be customized to whatever you would like them to be. In this case, for the demonstration purpose, we just got packing slips, purchase orders, and vendor invoices. And you've also got the table or the grid view of your documents which are in the archive. How do we get a document into such a system? So real quick, I've got a sample document here that we can use. I'm just going to drag and drop that. So let's get this purchase order, drag it, and we'll just drop that into the purchase orders archive. It automatically opens up to the viewer for us. So now we're going to be asked to index the documents. You'll notice off to the right, we've got the index fields per purchase orders. So vendor name, PO number, so on and so forth. And then the viewer of the document itself. So you're able to review that quickly and easily and get that information that you may be looking for to be able to work with that document. So first things first, we got to get some tag information or index values. One way to do this is going to be typing, but I'd have to say that not everybody is an expert or an expert in the typing realm. Not everybody's entirely comfortable with that. So what we have available to us is, you see this little lightning bolt called key free. Key free is going to see here, it's loading an OCR. Now OCR stands for optical character recognition. What that's doing is the software is taking a snapshot of the document and saying, you know what, this is font, this is text, I can read this stuff. How about you just go ahead and point and click and show me where these index fields are, and I'll just go ahead and populate those fields. So right off the bat, we're getting flagged down for the vendor name. Drag the box over that and you'll see that we've filled in vendor name, and now we're highlighting that PO number. Click the PO number, click the PO amount, click the PO date. You can even have cost centers associated, so if there's something that we would like to associate a document with, we can create a list on the front end, type ahead or even drop down as you see here, and we can have that list pre-defined so that way it's easy for your staff to be able to work with. Just go ahead and say that facility is working this. Come down to requisitioner and let's grab that vendor email, and you'll notice that in a matter of just a few clicks we were able to entirely index that entire document. Now you'll see the document that we just pulled in is right here at the top, Brewhaven, with the PO number 0830-2008. So that's an indexing step. Pretty straightforward, point and click. Even if you don't like to type, everybody kind of knows how to drive that mouse. So the user adaptation is pretty quick and easy. So let's take a quick look now at searching. How do we find what we're looking for? The magnifying glass. And select our search. Go ahead and search against any of the index field values that we've selected, and we'll just type in the PO number that we just indexed and run that search. And real quickly and easily we were able to pull out 3 purchase orders that had that PO number associated to it. Right here at the top is the document that we just worked with, so let's go ahead and open that up and take a look at a few of the actions that we can take on a page. We come back to our viewer and you'll notice a couple of tools here at the top that we may not have looked at right off the bat there while indexing. First we have annotation, a couple items here, highlight, bring some attention, redact, maybe hide some information, rubber stamp. Let's go ahead and choose this approved at today. It can be custom to whatever you would like it to say, but we're able to pull variable information and pull dates and time. How about a post-it note? Talk to customer. Will pay on Friday. Lastly, we've got signature. Let's drop a signature onto a page. Create that box wherever you would like. You can do what's called a wet signature. Use an iPad, use your finger. Here I'm just using my mouse. You can select sign. When I'm finished, I can go ahead and choose Save Changes. One other action I like to note is you can take this document and choose to email it, with or without annotations. So if we wanted to pull that stamp or the paper note off, we can have that removed. Let's leave them and go off of vendor name. Here it's flagging us down saying we're going to load that document into my email client. I'm using Microsoft Outlook. In just a moment here, it should flash down here at the bottom and open up a new email for me. Here we are. And there we are, named New PDF, Brewhaven. All I need to do is type in who it goes to, any body or text that I'd like to leave, and that person that we send it to can go ahead and take a look at that document here as a PDF. So in a nutshell, that's document management with GlobalSearch. If you'd like to learn more, please reach out at my email or contact me directly at the phone number listed below. Thank you for watching.